Morning. So we're back up in Scotland, up by Loch Lomond. We are going to do Bienn Chabhair today, which is a single Munro. I have been told it's a bit of a bogfest, and with the amount of rain we had last night, it's going to be really wet. So I've got the sealskin socks on this morning, got the gaiters with me, all prepared for it. So you start the walk from the Bienn farm campsite, which unfortunately is shut down now. Some dispute with the landowners over the lease. They couldn't come to a settlement on it, so they chose to shut down, which I'm told is a shame because it was quite a good place to come. So and just looking around, we've got Bienn Chabhair over there, which I climbed last time I was up here, which has a dust in the snow on top. I don't know if you can pick that up on the GoPro, but might be able to zoom in and get a view of it. So so we just head off round here, follow the sign for the West Highland Way. We won't be doing that today, and let's go and see what we're in for. Okay, come back to you later. So this is me just up from the path, comes up from the campsite, come to a slight plateau here, which is quite boggy. Then you get a view. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit now. Just had a warning come up on my phone, a yellow warning of high winds and rain for later on, so it did say it was going to get wet and windy this afternoon, so we'll get up there and get down before it gets too bad. So come back to you later. Well, I think the yellow storm warning has arrived. Winds have blown me about quite a bit, blowing off the path a couple of times. The rain's coming down, and just taking some shelter from the wind. That was brutal up there. Honestly, you could quite easily have been blown off the top. It was that strong. It's been blown about all over the place. Sticks to brace myself, but yeah, still got blown about. Yeah, I don't know how. I'm about 700 metres now, probably. Head down here. What is it? 12:54. So it was 12:30 by the time I came up the summit. To get up there than I thought. I left at 20 to 9. Yeah, nearly 4 hours to get up there. So obviously with the light issues, I've got to hustle to get down before it gets dark. With the weather being like it is, it might be a little bit darker earlier tonight. So yeah, can't hang about too long. I haven't even eaten anything today, so I forgot to have breakfast. I was going to eat something on the way up here. And just haven't, and now I just want to get down. So yeah, let's go and try and beat the weather down and the light. Cheers. This is the path. Right, that's me just back at the van down at the Drovers Inn car park. So I should be going in there shortly to get some food, maybe a pint of Guinness. Once I get out of these wet clothes on the waterproof. I don't know if I'm wet underneath or not, we'll find out in a minute, but that was brutal. They told me it was a bogfest, and it was. It wasn't too bad going up. You could skirt round it in places, but coming back down with all the rain that fell, it was just it was terrible. It was just you couldn't really skirt round it. Yeah, it was, I'm glad to get that one off the list. I wouldn't fancy having to do that one again in a hurry. So hence the reason why I probably didn't turn around at the top when maybe I should have done, but couldn't literally stand up. Couldn't stand up on the summit. You just got blown over, hence why I was like laying down. So, but yeah, it's done. It's a challenge. I survived it. So see you next time. Cheers.